Here we go. Woo!
I want to hear what you have to say.
Well, I have lots to say. All right, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start doing my makeup. This is a nice get ready with me. I'm gonna start off with my moisturizer and brows. I'm gonna use the Precisely My Brow pencil to do my brows. If you want a brow tutorial, I'm gonna link it up at the top because I am not editing that. So my brows are on. Now I'm going to start with my face. I'm gonna start with a primer because I want full coverage. Oh, you're asking about my nails? I did them myself. So I've been trying to really like get into like the Facebook groups and stuff. And I posted a video. Mind you, we've been in quarantine for the past, what, 3-4 months now. And I haven't gotten to get my eyebrows done as everybody because everything is closed and it is what it is. So I posted my video on my Facebook makeup page and this chick shared my video and I was like, oh, somebody shared it. You know, somebody I don't know shares it. Because usually, like, you know, all my Facebook friends will share my stuff. But this time a stranger shared it. And she shared it with the caption that said,
"Girl, please pluck your eyebrows."
And she shared it like that. And so people laughed. People responded with a laugh on it. You know how you can like it or whatever? She had people laughing in response to it. Like they'd never been in quarantine before. I felt so played, but it didn't really hurt my feelings. Or did it? I'm just kidding now. I thought it was kind of funny. For concealer, I've been using UOMA Beauty and Elf Cosmetics together. This gives good coverage, this brightens. So I'm gonna do that. I feel like I always blend this out weird. I always make this eye brighter than this eye. So we're just gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna set it with both of these, a pressed powder and a setting powder. Sorry, Mom, but I'm gonna tell a story. Okay, so I like contour, I'm gonna tell the story. Okay, so I use first this cream contour stick. It's actually a foundation stick, but I use it to cream contour. And then I'm gonna go in with the powder on top of that. Okay, so story time. So, as you know, there has been a big movement with our Black community, okay? And being in Houston, they had a march for George Floyd and his family. I can't remember what day it was. And I ended up going with my boyfriend. He was compelled to go, so I was like, yeah, me too. We are getting ready to go to the protest. We're walking downtown, and right when we get downtown to the protest, there's people out there with posters, and I was kind of nervous because just of what I've seen on social media and stuff, to like just even go out there because it just didn't seem safe. I am for all types of protests. You do what you gotta do, okay? Convey your message. But, you know, I like to keep safe on the protests, you know what I'm saying? So we're out there and it seems like it's an okay type of protest. Like it seems pretty calm. And there's people handing out snacks and water bottles to people. So we take a water bottle. This chick, she comes on a megaphone, before we start marching for the protest. So we don't see any police or anything yet. We just see a lot of protesters and people gathering for the cause. And the chick, she's like, everybody, you need 2 waters. And I'm just like, girl, I'm not that thirsty. We ain't gonna be out here that long. I don't need 2 waters. And she said, you need a water to drink and a water for the tear gas. And I was like, bro. I was ready to go after that, but I didn't say that because I was with my boyfriend and his friends. So I didn't want to seem like a wuss, so I just went with it. And we didn't get tear gassed or pepper sprayed, but there were people like falling out because it was so hot. So they were like, where's the medics? Where's the medics? But it was only for people that was like passing out because of like the weather, because it's really hot. So it was a very good protest. It felt good to be there with everybody. That's my story time. Sorry, Mom. The first thing I like to do before I start on my eyes is I like to kind of soften this area of my base up and kind of start like carving out my crease for my eye. And I'm gonna go right in my eyebrow where it's an obvious shadow here. I'm just gonna, okay, and then I'm gonna take this like to the rest of my crease. Like that. And then it's like all of a sudden soft. It looks like I actually did something, but I didn't. You could just put on lashes and go from here. So I have this NYX eyeliner brush wiped off. I'm gonna go wet my Suva Beauty liner. I'm going to do some lines on my eyes, and that's the video. That's it. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna do the wing on the other side. Okay, and now I'm gonna try to like make like a cool line coming up. It looks pretty cool. And that's all I wanted to do. That's it. It's from House of Lashes called Spellbound. I'm spreading no rumors, but Mulatto was talking about a rap girl from Houston. But who's she talking about? Who's she talking about? I'm trying to go for like a orangey blush. I hope this looks orange on me. We're gonna spray the face down, and I'm thinking we should just go in with Trophy Wife on the high cheekbone. Yeah. But I got something else for you. Okay. I have a setting spray from Beauty Bakarie. I've already baked with her powder. So now I'm gonna set it with her setting spray. It's called Always Spray Your Sweet Grace Baking Spray. It's baking spray. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna take this. Look at my nails. Oh my gosh, who did she get them done by? Is it a LA celebrity nail stylist? What? Oh, what is that? How? So I'm gonna spray her down. Woo, that is a strong spray. Oh my gosh, I'm doing horrible at this. This is not a good nozzle. Finish it. It smells good. Fenty Trophy Wife. And what I'm gonna do is go over with a lighter highlighter, just on the tip, just on my finger. And it looks so intense, but that's what we want. I'm just gonna put some lip balm on and some lip gloss. I don't want to do anything crazy. Just some gold lip gloss. Oh, this is such a pretty gloss. Okay, and then I'm done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.